Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here. Okay, we're taking a look at the US 100. It opened bullish for the week. We've got a price gap above that hasn't been resolved. As you can see through here, trading up, just looking at this for potential opportunity. Work our way down to the lower time frame. Now what we do have here is a market that is pretty well undecided at the moment. So we're trading into this tight little corner here where that breaks. I mean, it could go anywhere, but it is retesting these lows back here, and we do have a price gap above that we'll look to fill at some stage, I would think. I'll keep that marked up on the chart. From here, it's a matter of which way this breaks. Go down to the 4-hour. I do trade this on the lower time frame. The kind of thing that I'm looking for is generally the opportunity when I see it on the 4-hour chart. So I'll mark up these levels and I'll show you something. Just call that a break buy support level. Trading up, let's pull back down. The last video I did on this, we were talking about filling this gap, trading back down into resistance, actually support. If you look at my last video, and we talked about a possibility of this trading into this level and we could go long. Well, we got the trade. Now, of course, it's ranging through here. But look, what I want to do is show you this chart here. Like what I like to do is I'll mark up the 4-hour and I'll pick these key levels where we see an impulsive move like this. For example, I'll just go down to a 3. Yeah, where we see an impulsive move like this candle here, I'm always looking for the retrace back into just accumulation level or zone. We actually had that on the 4-hour chart. And then on the lower time frame, if we go into the 5-minute, with this marked up down here, we know that this is a big level, support level, and then we simply just sit back and wait for the market to invite us in. Trades down, near touch, okay, bounce. But what we get is this signal here, giving us an indication that there's definitely momentum building to the upside. And when we're trading into support or resistance and we get one of these, it's generally a pretty good outcome. As you can see here, the breakout occurred. Here's our break here. Break. And so what I'll do is I'll mark up the range on the lower time frame, 5-minute, and set up buy orders around in here. And of course, came back down and we got a buy. Similar thing here. We've had this signal. It fired. Depending on whether you marked up this range up here or this one down here. But there was a short opportunity. And, oh yeah, now this was the trade that we were talking about yesterday in our Discord chat. By the way, the link is below. You can join our Discord. It's free to join. And it was this trade into this order block, 4-hour order block here. And we got a very nice signal right here, and that was our trade. So yeah, I mean, guys, if you like what you're seeing here, these signals have been giving us some very nice opportunities, as you can see. So I guess the key thing is to mark up the order blocks, and then when it trades into or near, we wait for this. This will tell you when the market's rotating. On the pullback, it trades back in, and then we get the rotation, and it'll give you the trade into the next leg, if that makes sense. But then you can take both sides of the trade if you want to. And now we've got this one here. That sums up more or less how I get involved and navigate the volatility. And I mean, coming back at the moment, this is still ranging sideways with no clear direction at the moment as to whether this is going to break north and revisit these levels up here or otherwise. So, I mean, I'll wrap the video up at that, and click the links below. Join me. I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and I'll see you in the next one.